Yosemite shot, drone shot launching up. Begin. Yo, what's up travel heads? We are out here in Yosemite. About to get started with the hike. Got my bear pepper spray right here. And that's El Capitan. You got Half Dome way back there. And the Bradville Falls. We're actually gonna be passing by that. So this is our trail, the beginning of our trail. It's right over there. And then we're gonna go around all these mountains. A lot of incline. All the way to, yeah, there. We're going to Glacier, so we're gonna go far away.
But first, let me introduce you to my buddies I'll be hiking with. We have here Ryan, Vader, Hunter, and Xavier.
So we just started hiking. Incline right away. It's hot, it's like 70 degrees. We already got boulders right here.
A total of 14-mile hike with elevation up and down, roughly 45 pounds on each of us. Our plan is to set camp up after 4 to 5 miles into the hike. But for now, let me show you what's for lunch 1.5 mile into our hike at Inspiration Point.
Alright guys, we are taking our first lunch break in Inspiration Point. Just right behind me is a sick view. And yeah, as our lunch break, I have a peanut butter banana Cliff Bar. Gonna try this out, hopefully it's good. This is the one I really can't wait for, it looks delicious. That's the banana right there. Let's try out this peanut butter banana Cliff Bar. Instantly, that banana scent, that's good, that's pretty good. Texture like any other Cliff Bar, rough, thick, very heavy, a lot of protein. The first bite, the scent of the banana is right there. You now taste the peanut butter as you're chewing. Probably my favorite Cliff Bar right here, the peanut butter banana. So we just got done with lunch and now we're gonna continue. We have like 2.5 to 3 more miles to go. A lot more elevation to go because we're gonna be hiking over that side.
We resumed the strenuous hike, crossing by many rugged trails.
Don't use your knuckles. You guys hear that? That's water. You know what that means? We're next to the stream or a creek. Not a waterfall, not a big waterfall, but a stream at least. We'll refill our water. From then on, we probably have a half a mile left after that. So we're touching base near the stream also. 100 feet away and 100 feet away from trail like the rule says. Oh man, look at this little stream. Now you're probably like, ew, how are we gonna drink that water? Filter. There are bugs like mosquito, bacteria. Since we're next to a stream, I'm just gonna drink as much water as I can, hydrate myself, and then we're gonna fill it in with more filter water.
You fill up your pouch. Take your collected water and install the filter.
It's not filtered unless you put the straw in it. And then here are my water bag. And the straw is the thing that's gonna filter out all the bacteria. Not virus, but bacteria. And you just squeeze the water in there. And after that, I'm gonna put 2 iodine peel one iodine peel and let it sink there for 35 minutes just so then it could double the chance of killing most or 99% of the bacteria. And the iodine peel is right here. Dude, I think we touched down at our first campsite. This is perfect. We even have a view right there.
We set up camp with a breathtaking view. What's inside my tent? A sleeping pad, 20-degree sleeping bag, and an air pillow. As you enjoy this beautiful time lapse, I'm prepping my dinner. You wanna see?
I got some ramen. It took a while to cook, but I think it was worth it. Sounds exactly like chicken pot pie.
Right now I got the Spanish rice. I'm about to cook this. My pot water's really about done. It's hot. I'm actually gonna put the hot water in here instead. Alright guys, so now we're gonna try the Spanish rice.
super red, very saucy. Not fully cooked yet, still pretty hard, but right now it tastes pretty good.
So now we're having our first sunset right now in Yosemite for this trip, and it's looking dope. You know, it's going over right now, it's going under the mountain, and then we're gonna try to get this Milky Way shot. This is like the best camping spot I've ever had in terms of camping wise. I'm wilderness backpacking also. This is the best scenic route. I was hoping that I would get something that was scenic in it, and here you go. It's amazing. Birds chirping, we're gonna hear that early morning too. So it's like 10 p.m. right now, and we are getting our Milky Way shot, me and Vader. Yeah, we decided, you know, we're here for a reason, and that's to get that Milky Way. I think we're gonna wake up at 4 a.m. for Milky Way again, because the moon right there is too bright at the moment, but fingers crossed we'll get this. There's an actual bear, wild bear here in Yosemite. Holy moly.